A Group 6 marketing proposal, Your Treats, Mini Donut, and it will be reported by Saikadatu, Elazo, Usman, Sauro, Guiamal, Lubano, Haron, and Baya. A Treats, Mini Donut is the new established food company that will carve out a special place in the heart of dessert lovers everywhere. Indulging in a classic flavors or trying something new, the joy of biting into a mini donut is truly delightful experience.
Good day, everyone. My name is Krisa Musha Sekadato. Today, I will be discussing the introduction and purpose of this marketing proposal, which title is Your Treats Mini Donut.
In recent years, customers' taste and reference have become more complicated because of ever-growing snack industry in Cotabato City since the COVID-19 outbreak happened. Most of them expecting good quality and more satisfying in return for their money. This company will be the one to provide and satisfy their cravings, love for sweets, and to make them taste the irresistible homemade mini donut.
So, in my introduction, as I've said, that the customer references and taste buds has been more complicated because of the ever-growing snack in Cotabato City. We are proposing this type of business to innovate the mini donut business to make it a lifelong trend. We do also research on how we make it more profitable and attractive to the customer, including the opportunity and demand in markets. The demands of mini donuts here in Cotabato City is less popular, but in social media is so in demand. So we decided to upgrade our donut from classic to a special dough. We are presenting the product that we improve and its unique flavor. Overall, proposing a mini donut business can be a highly rewarding progress. The market's demands of it is strong and it is possible to achieve a significant profitability with a well-executed plan and commitment to the product and company. Customer satisfaction will increase.
And now let's proceed in threats in marketing. So, threats in marketing refers to external factors that can negatively impact a company's marketing effort and overall business performance. So, one of the threats is health consciousness. Health consciousness is one of the threats when starting a food business because with this health consciousness, consumers become more aware of the impact of their food choices on their health, may choose healthier alternatives, and may be more cautious about consuming certain products.
Industry analysis. Donuts are a type of baker's confectionery item which are sweet in taste. Donuts is also a common snack which is sweet and have a different ingredient. And also there are has a two types. Yes donuts and cake donuts. So kung may yes donuts, meron din tayong cake donuts. So these are widely available in various bakeries and supermarkets worldwide. So donuts have widely grown population among consumers worldwide owing to their sweet taste and convenience. Yes, sa ngayon marami ng mga nagbebenta ng different kind of donuts dahil sa kanyang sweetness. And nagiging popular na to sa mga customer. And also, as a business owner soon, it's up to us kung paano namin palalaguin ang aming donut at paano namin ito siya matatawag na unique. And yes, further, the increasing snacking habit in between the meals trend has fostered its market growth. It offers several options for affordable mini donuts with syrup toppings, other mini donuts option where you can choose from various sauces and toppings and provides a wide variety of gourmet mini donuts with homemade toppings. They have a rotation menu that changes with the season of event theme. Yes, also ang donuts ay nakadepende rin sa ay pwede rin natin ipapartner sa season or sa event anong klaseng donut ang ating gagawin, like anong toppings ang ating nilalagay, various sauces, and especially the varies the very the best is unique taste.
Mission to serve good quality snacks and pastries that indulge every customer and will enjoy the convenience, relaxed, friendly environment that ensure the excessive level of quality product and the best value of their money. So that is to become a leading donuts brand recognized for its creativity, quality, and customer satisfaction. We aspire to expand our reach globally, making our delightful donuts accessible to everyone while maintaining our commitment to quality and innovation. Vision to not be the last resort desired place for a wholesome, delicious, complimentary donuts that everyone enjoy, expanding within our city and also in our country and become a lifelong trend that every customers want to enjoy with their families and friends. So that is to provide high quality, delicious, and innovative donuts that bring joy and satisfaction to every customer. We commit to using the finest ingredients, maintaining exceptional customer service, and creating a unique and enjoyable experience for all.
And now let's proceed to marketing objectives. To make sure every serving of the snacks that the company is serving is delightful experience and creates buzz, enjoying the delicious flavors at the outstanding quality and elevate the dining experience with the snack that the company is serving. The objective of the study is to find out whether the snacks that the company is serving gives or bring a delightful experience or whether it creates bonds to the target market or customers. Another objective is to find out whether that every delicious flavors that the company is serving will be enjoyed by the target market and meets the customer's demand and expectations and will bring satisfactions and excellent dining experience to the customers.
Now we're here in market study, also known as a market research, is a systematic process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting information about a target market. Consumers, competitors, and the industry as a whole is a critical tool that business use to understand the dynamics of their market and make informed decisions. And the Your Traits Market Study. Your Traits target market are all individuals who love sweets or desserts, most especially the young ones ages around 12 to 30 years of age. They are the individuals or consumers whom love to purchase those types of snack. They consume it after having a meal, making it at their dessert. Our product will also target the people who will have their upcoming celebrations or any type of occasions since it is well presented and packed elegantly. It will be a best gift of even can be a token for an event. Based on our study and also conducted a survey, we asked 100 people if they love sweet or not, and 75 of it got an answer of yes, and the 25 is not. The majority of our survey, they love a sweet. That's why our target people are those who age 12 to 30 years old. And also, we accepting large order probably for events or occasions, and our company monitoring on how we will upgrade it, making our company products unique and nothing like others to make this company achieve at its highest level.
Competitive analysis. Direct and indirect competitors. The following cakes and pastry shops are located within the location of your treats mini donut. These provide either direct or indirect competitions for customer. Dunkin' Donuts is a well-known global brand in the fast food industry, specializing in donuts, coffee, and other breakfast items. Mr. Donut is a popular international chain of donut shops. It offers a wide variety of donuts, including classic flavors like glaze, chocolate, and jelly filled, as well as specialty and seasonal options.
They also serve other baked goods such as muffins and bagels, as well as selection of beverages including coffee and iced drinks.
And now, let's proceed to the marketing mix. So, marketing mix, it is a fundamental concept in marketing that encompasses the key elements a company uses to promote its product or service effectively. First is the description of good and service. Many donuts are small, of course, all we know that, bite-sized version of the traditional donut. As a product, they are known for their warm, fluffy texture and irresistible sweetness. They can be customized with a variety of toppings, from classic powdered sugar to a playful colorful sprinkles, each of them adding a burst of flavor that can satisfy a sweet tooth. As a service, mini donuts can be offered in a full service concession where the team prefers the donut on the spot, freshly baked into a golden perfection and served into customers. And the next is the positioning statement. Your treats mini donuts will offer a sweet and healthy treat for everyone who craves would love to eat a new version and unique taste of a mini donuts. For the discerning consumer who values quality, taste, and a moment of indulgence, our donuts are the premium choice. Unlike ordinary pastries, our donuts are handcrafted with care, using only the finest ingredient to ensure a rich, delicious experience in every bite. And of course, the pricing strategy. So the business aims to provide a quality product that has an affordable cost will let everyone experience. Doubt donuts or our donuts are priced the same regardless on the flavor, sides, or toppings. This simple pricing strategy make it easy for customers to choose their favorite donut without worrying about its price. Donuts are grouped into different tiers based on the factors such as size, complexity of toppings, or specialty flavors. Each tier has a different price point, of course, with more elaborate or premium donuts being priced higher than basic one. And the next is the promotion activities. So the business will consider personal selling, which is sell person to entertain the customers directly with the power and ability to speak to encourage the customer to buy the product. This will happen face to face where it helps to know the product and especially to gain trust, credibility with customers, and have the opportunity to make a sale. Furthermore, the business will use social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for better recognize the product advantage. And the last one is the suppliers. Your Treats Mini Donuts suppliers will be Southeast Mall located at Don Rufino Alonso Street, Cotabato City, and Sobiorama Market located in Dona Blanco Street, Cotabato City, and the Pantasia, Cotabato City, located at South Street, Barangay RH1 and Cotabato City.
Organization plan. Our Treats Mini Donut is a new company that will establish for making a special desserts. The founder of this business are the students from CSU or Cotabato State University. They will be the one to fund and sustain the company's business growth. The type of ownership of this company will be partnership organization where they will share their profits, responsibility, and workloads.
About our financial analysis. In this matter, we studied and analyzed on how we are gonna put on our capital in 1 week in the business. In the raw materials, it's more larger amount because in that particular part, we include the ingredients, toppings, and dipping sauce for the mini donut. For the supplies expenses, it is for the container of the product and cutlery. As for the freight in, we overcharge it than the usual fare because if there is a shortage at the main supplier, we can go easily to the other. Overall, our initial capital is only 1,460, but we close it 1,500 in case we have an emergency errands. That's all. Thank you.